It's time for your district's annual open enrollment, and I wanted to thank you for taking a few moments to learn more about the benefits that are going to be available to you and your family, regardless of your participation in any other benefit with the district. Today's presentation is going to focus on two of the most important benefits available to New Jersey School District employees. The first is disability insurance. Whether you choose coverage with Colonial Life or another carrier, it's important for you to understand that New Jersey School District employees do not participate in New Jersey State Disability. So once you exhaust your paid time off, not only will your income suddenly stop, but you're still required to pay your contribution for your medical benefits, whether or not you're receiving a paycheck. The other benefit is whole life insurance. Many school district employees do not realize that the life insurance they have while working at the district is greatly reduced at retirement. So if you have a need for permanent protection for the rest of your life, Colonial Life can offer you benefits that you can keep at the same cost and same benefit even if you leave or retire. Now, if you already have disability coverage, whether it's with Colonial Life or another carrier, it is important that every year you meet with a benefit counselor to review your current coverage. Disability plans do not automatically adjust with salary increases, so if you purchased a plan many years ago, it may not provide you with the protection you need today. All the Colonial Life plans include the following benefits. All employees and their dependents may participate in the plans regardless of their participation in any other benefit with the district. All the plans are also portable, so you can keep your coverage at the same cost and benefit even if you leave or retire. All the plans are going to pay benefits directly to you, regardless of any other benefits you have, including paid time off. And while employed at the district, all premiums are paid through the convenience of payroll deduction. When you ask most people what their most valuable asset is, they think of their home, jewelry, car, and most people purchase insurance to protect all of these things. But if you really think about it, your most valuable asset is your ability to earn a living. After all, it's your paycheck that makes it possible to pay for all of those things, and most people don't have the paycheck protection they need. This is why the first benefit I'm going to share information on is the most important benefit we have for New Jersey School District employees. Unfortunately, you do not participate in New Jersey State Disability. So once you exhaust your paid time off, not only will your income stop, but you're still required to pay your contribution for your health care, even without a paycheck. Most people find it hard enough living on 100% of their pay, so I can't imagine how difficult it would be to pay everyday expenses such as food, clothing, and utilities if your income suddenly stopped due to a disability. Now, most people think they won't be affected by a disability, but the fact is that 1 in 3 employees during their lifetime will be disabled for at least 6 months. Now, if this happened to you, how would you pay all your bills? In today's economy, it would be difficult just missing 1 week of income. But can you imagine being unable to work for months or even a year? You need a backup plan, but it's tough to put money in savings on a regular basis. And even if you have paid time off, one disability could use all the days it took years to accumulate. So what would happen the next time you're out? This is why disability insurance from Colonial Life is so important. Colonial Life's Educator Disability Plan provides you with the protection you need. This plan combines the benefits of disability, accident, hospital, accidental death into one complete policy that is the same cost to all employees regardless of their age. I hope you can now understand how important short-term disability insurance is to public employees. And now I'm hoping to demonstrate why I feel that Colonial Life's Educator Disability Insurance is the best option available to New Jersey public employees. This plan provides a tax-free monthly benefit from $400 to $5,000 of monthly benefit. This plan can protect up to 66 2/3 of your monthly income. The great thing about this plan is it pays benefits immediately after the wait period, regardless of whether you're collecting paid time off from the district. The benefits are also paid year-round, regardless of your work schedule. The rates on this plan are not based on your age when you purchase coverage, and more importantly, the rates will never increase like many carriers due to rate increases or as you get older. This plan is a perfect plan to give you lifetime protection because at age 70, when you no longer need disability protection, you can convert this plan to a $6,000 a month hospital benefit, along with all the other accident benefits when disability insurance is no longer needed. And the great news is that you can keep your coverage at the same cost and benefit even if you leave or retire from the district. The next important benefit that I'm going to speak to you about is Colonial Life's guaranteed issue whole life insurance and why it is so important for New Jersey educators to purchase coverage that they can keep at the same cost and same benefit even when they leave or retire. Unfortunately, the fact is that you're going to lose the majority of your work life insurance coverage at retirement. And if you decide that you want to keep that coverage, unfortunately, it is way too expensive and almost like taking out a second mortgage if you want to be able to keep that coverage. Our solution is going to allow you to choose coverage now while you're at work that you can keep at the same cost and same benefit even if you leave or retire from the district. Colonial Life's whole life insurance is a perfect way for public employees to get the life insurance protection they need. Colonial Life guarantees that the death benefit of our policy will never change. We guarantee that the cash value in the policy will always increase and that the premiums you're paying will never increase. This plan can allow you to get the lifetime protection you need so that you can keep your coverage at the same cost and benefit even if you leave or retire from the district. You can choose a face amount from $5,000 to $300,000 depending on how much coverage you need. You have the option, if you are under the age of 45, to choose a plan that is paid up at age 65, or all employees may choose a plan that is paid up at age 95. This plan can allow you to choose coverage for your spouse and dependent children with or without your participation in the plan. And the great thing is, this plan is going to be offered guaranteed issue. You can also choose this plan with a guaranteed purchase option so that even now, you can purchase coverage that at a later date with no medical underwriting, you can choose to increase your coverage. In addition to the Colonial Life disability and life insurance options, during this open enrollment, you also have the option to choose from the following supplemental health plans to protect you and your family. You can choose from accident insurance, cancer insurance, critical illness, dental insurance, and hospital gap insurance. Please speak to a benefit counselor during open enrollment to learn more about how these plans can help cover expenses not covered by your current coverage. I wanted to thank you for taking a few moments to learn more about the new benefits being offered by Colonial Life to all district employees. The great news is that learning more or applying for coverage is simple. Please meet with a benefit counselor during one of the scheduled on-site visits at your school. You have the option to stop by during the scheduled times, or to make it very convenient, Colonial Life has a new online scheduling tool that you can click on a link and pre-book your 15-minute time slot to ensure that you can have a time that's convenient for you. We look forward to meeting with you during open enrollment and answering all of your questions. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day. We look forward to seeing you during your district's open enrollment to help you save money and protect what matters most. If you are unable to schedule a session convenient for you, please contact us either by phone or by email in order to schedule a makeup session.